Hi, it's Miss Rowe. So I've had a few local requests from around Blackpool, which is cool because I've never had that before. And some parents who have to stay home with their children have asked to maybe create some projects. So I had a bit of an idea, had a little think, and nice simple projects that anyone can do. So you don't need your computer. If you've got one, fantastic. We're going to use Microsoft Word today. But otherwise, get a piece of paper, A4 piece of paper, and get some pencils and pens. And you can still make an amazing Easter poster. So first things first, let's go down to the start menu. And what we're going to do is go and open Word. So Microsoft Word. My version's 2016, yours might be a different version. And what we're going to do now is, I want you to go up to holiday, or you might have to look at posters. There might be a few different options for you. So what we're going to do is, here we can see the different Easter celebrations. I want you to create me a poster, and it's for Easter weekend. Obviously, that is coming up quite quickly. It's on the Friday, the 10th of April, which is obviously Good Friday. And Easter Sunday is the 12th of April, 2020. So you can make me a weekend poster. I don't mind how long it is over the weekend because we're using our imaginations. So create me a poster. Let's say we're going to have an egg hunt and there's going to be a fair. There's going to be food, and you can decide what happens at this event. So create me a poster. You can use any word art. You can use any pictures. I don't mind. Just create them, and then you can always comment below. Obviously, if you're using this through Facebook, or your parents are, they can upload their pictures on there as well. It's just be fantastic for the whole community to get together. So as you can see here, we've got posters, there's flyers, there's loads of things. Even got a Easter egg flyer. So you can create any. It'll be just nice to see some people using their time to create a cool poster. So like it says here, join us this Easter Sunday. I don't want it to say that, so I'm going to double click on it, and then I'm going to say it's Miss Rose Easter event. And you can think of some great puns, like an extravaganza. Do you get it? Egg. So what we're going to do is create your leaflet, create your poster, and then let's see them. So if you haven't got a computer, then that's okay. What you're going to do, same thing, and just do it on paper. So paper, make it as beautiful and colourful as you can. Create an Easter weekend poster. It can have your parents' names on, it can have your name on. You can make a business up for this poster. It's all about being creative. Okay? So try that and then show us what you've created.